Hello and thank you for joining us today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and I just got back from my daughter's soccer game. We won 12-5, and my daughter also scored a goal, which I'm super proud of. This was her very first game, and she's only 5. So we went to Panera and had a little celebratory lunch for her. Anyway, as soon as I got home, I did get the mail and I got my September sew sampler. This is extremely exciting and quite frankly a little bit early. Typically I get my sew sampler around like the 24th of the month, so this is almost a week early, I think, like 6 days. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in and see what the contents are. Inside we have a little pamphlet that tells us the theme of this month's box. This is Hidden Gems, and I'm loving this gorgeous kind of fuchsia color. And then we have 30% off of By Annie Notions and more at fatquartershop.com. Inside we also have this booklet. This tells us the contents of our box as well as the prices for each of the items. At the end, I will go ahead and tally up the total so that we know what our savings were versus how much we actually spent for this box. This particular box costs $24.95 per month, and there is a 99-cent subscription fee associated with it. That's just a one-time fee, and then there is shipping as well, and I want to say that's about $6.75 for shipping. All around the box is about $31 plus some change. All right, so let's see what's inside this box, and I'll go ahead and let you know the prices as I go through it. First, we have Sewmate quilt clips. These retail for $9.98. They can be removed easily to re-roll quilts for a new work area. I'll show you the back so you can kind of see it on the front as well. So right here, so you can see the throat space on your sewing machine. They fit right under there against the back of the throat, and you can roll up your quilt so that you can focus on quilting the flat area here. So that's actually pretty handy. They come in purple. It's like a purpley pink kind of fuchsia, kind of matches the leaflet that we got. So that's nice. And they're made of a smooth plastic so they don't snag when you're, quilting and pushing them back there. I've actually never used anything like this. I usually just, roll up my quilt and it kind of stays in place, especially if you have batting and backing and everything's pinned up. It's kind of more rigid anyway. But I'm trying to think if I would even use these. I don't know. I don't know that I would use these. I just got a long arm as well a couple weeks ago, so I feel like all of my quilty projects will probably be done on my long arm from now on. Maybe smaller stuff like wall hangings, maybe I'll still do them on my 770, but we'll see. Anyway, let's move on to the next item. Next we have our fabric. This is Balboa by Sherri and Chelsi for Moda Fabrics. I'll go ahead and take this out. It's actually, it'll be pretty easy to get back in this bag. Let's see here. Okay, so these are 18.5 by 22 inch cuts. There's 6 of them. That sounds like that sounds like fat quarters to me. Anyway, here's the fabric. Super gorgeous. Once again, playing off of that kind of purpley fuchsia color that our box came with. It's really pretty. Okay, that feels more, that's definitely not a fat quarter. That feels way more than a fat quarter. Let's see. Okay, well, it is a fat quarter bundle, but it really feels a lot thicker than that. Must be like really good. Let's see. Really nice, thick quality woven. All right, let me go ahead and put this in the bag. This retails for $18.98. So I also just saw on the pamphlet that we are a sew sampler first. So we actually get these, this fabric bundle before anybody else. Before you can purchase it on the website, we get it first in our sew sampler. So it's always exciting when we get kind of exclusive or first pick items. It's just kind of a benefit that you get to purchasing the sew sampler every month. Next, we get a Sewing Life tea towel. This is by Gingiber, and I hope I'm saying that right. I've heard other people pronounce it, and I just can't remember how they say it. This is a super cute tea towel. It does retail for $9.98. Hopefully you can see that. And I know for me personally, I will never use this in my kitchen. I trust myself not to make this really dirty, but I can't trust my kids or my husband. I have so many kind of like holiday tea towels that my mom has gotten me over the years, and they're a hot mess now, This could possibly be the thing I'm excited for the most, other than the fabric, which was absolutely gorgeous. But this is a 7-inch by 7-inch fuse mat by the Gypsy Quilter. And this is for applique. Specifically, I don't know any other uses for it. But typically when you do applique, you have the interfacing. I have to think. It's interfacing anyway, and there's glue dots on the back of it, and you have to activate them with an iron. So this is really great for fusing applique, especially to your project, so that you don't get any residue or anything like that. Everything is captured on the mat. And this is silicone, and silicone in general, it's not unique to this mat, but silicone in general withstands up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. I'm not sure what that is in Celsius. And after 500 degrees, it just kind of changes its material properties. It's not going to like explode or, melt or anything, but 500 degrees, follow directions. But anyway, this is super exciting, and this retails for $18.98. This next item I'm not exactly excited for. We did get something similar to this last year as well, so I guess if you're a new subscriber, it's worth it. But this is a project bag. It looks like this. Right, it does have a clear vinyl. It doesn't come in your sew sampler, but there is a clear vinyl piece here so that you can kind of see through your project bag. There's no zipper. So really what you got for this project bag is the pattern, which is worth $9.98. And then you also get the fabric from Sherri and Chelsi from Moda. Other than that, you will need your zipper. You're gonna need probably some interfacing, I gotta check, and your vinyl. Let's see. Yeah, interfacing. Okay, cool. And some handle webbing. Okay, I've never used handle webbing before, but those are the items that you'll need. Once again, $9.98. This might be exciting to you. For me, it's one of my least favorite items from this month's box. And we do have track 6 for our greatest hits quilt. Here's the block. Okay, and this retails for $4.98. And if you don't know, every single month in the Sew Sampler, we get one of these blocks. And at the very end of 12 months, we have our 12 blocks, and we get a finishing block chart. I can't think of what it's called right now. Anyway, we get a finishing block chart, and it'll tell us where the blocks go on our quilt. And if I'm being honest, I don't like it. I'm all for the new minimalist like solids movement that's going on right now in quilting, but these blocks to me are super antiquated, and they're nothing like what I like to quilt or piece, I guess, in this instance. So yeah, my least favorite, but looking forward to next April. Hopefully there's something that I like better. All right, so let's go ahead and total up our box contents. So this month we made out $73. That is what the box contents were. And honestly, if I'm thinking back to all the boxes that I've gotten in the last 2 years, 73 is actually really high. Usually I want to say it's like 55 to maybe like 65 in that range. Sometimes it's a little bit lower, but we paid 31 and some odd change for this box, and then 73 is what the box contents were. So we made out like $42, which is really awesome. And that's just another reason why you should subscribe to fatquartershop.com Sew Sampler. All right, that's it for this video. I'll see you next month. I can't believe it's already been a month. This is like how 2020 has just flown by. I can't believe that it's the end of September. All right, I'll see you guys next time. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I hope you're enjoying this gorgeous, I know it's not fall yet, but I hope you're enjoying this gorgeous fall-like weather in the end of summer. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.